Morning everybody, Jeff from Rocky Valley Garage. I wanted to give you a little update on the green S10 that we have, the 2002. We have the exhaust system in and everything's fine there. We have the interior done and I've shown you the interior before. And so we have the dash done and the console done. And we're going to have to send this out and get the carpets detailed, and you knew that already because that was in the last video. But what you haven't seen is the body work that we've got. We went ahead and we worked this panel out and we got some paint on there. Okay, so that one came out pretty good, and the paint is a dead-on match, and that's pretty good. So this area right here, we touched that up. So after doing the work right here, we started putting the bumper back on, and the bumper was painted the same color as the vehicle. Okay, so we kind of looked at it and kind of beat up a little bit. So the front bumper, we painted hot rod black. Okay, so we figured, okay, we'd like to match. So we had the rear bumper that we went ahead and we painted hot rod black, and we also replaced the license plate lights. Okay, because one of them had a tang broken off the back of it. Okay, around the front there are some more developments, but we went ahead and replaced the third brake light right here. The problem with these things is they put the wrong bulbs in there and it burns a hole about right there. So we get some LED ones, and we got a new lens, and those are available on Amazon. Okay, about 15 bucks for the set, and they also give you a new gasket too. That's pretty good. Okay, so we went ahead and we tore the front end apart, and we have both front fenders that are just in place, but they are not bolted in because we need the hood on to take and line everything up. Okay, so paint on these came out pretty good. Okay, and let me show you what's going on with the hood. So we have the hood back here in the back shop area, and the body work on this corner here, you remember there was a dent about right here. So we got that worked out and got it primed, and we got one coat. We did a real good sanding on the thing because on this one right here, we started out with 120 grit sandpaper and just sanded the whole thing. And because there was some checking in the clear coat. So anyway, went ahead and sanded that down, put some primer on it, and the checking was a little bit deeper than what we thought. So we're not really happy with the gloss of the finish. I mean, it came out flat and all that kind of stuff. But let me give you a little tech tip on painting hoods. Do not paint them in direct sun, okay, because it heats a panel up, and even if you use slow thinner in your paint mix, they have slow, medium, and fast. Even if you use slow, that has to do with the evaporation rate. You'll have problems getting to get your finish to flow out. Okay, so you don't want the panel hot enough so that as soon as the paint hits, it dries. Okay, and that is one of the prime reasons you get orange peel. Okay, is because the paint did not flow out. So if you paint it in a cool area, okay, it's about 65 degrees today. It's about 55% humidity. So these are some pretty good conditions for painting. So what we're going to do today is we're going to sand this down again. We're going to use 320, and then we're going to take and lay another coat of paint on here, and it should just flow out. because we're in the shade right now. The sun has not come out. It's kind of a cloud deck here in Los Angeles that rolls in the morning. We don't generally get sun until about 11:30 or 12. Okay, so it's a little on the cool side right now. I think we can do a really good job on this. Okay, just want to take and give you a little bit of update, little tech tip, and hope it helps you out in your project. And remember, if you think you can do it, just go for it. All right, have a great day. We'll see you next time.